I'm doing. This is my battery tray, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it all up as much as I can. I'm gonna use the rust dissolver, put it on here, wait, and then I'm gonna clean everything up again, and I'm gonna start painting this battery tray so I can put it on the car. Put it on, and now there's gonna be waiting time. I'm restoring my battery tray. I just painted it, so it's gonna be drying up, and then I'm also gonna paint the other side, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the battery and start removing that old battery tray. I'm gonna show it to you. It looks pretty bad. Here's the old one. So it's gonna be removed, and it's gonna be replaced with that other one.
I drink my well water, but I don't like to make coffee with it because I want the more pure taste.
Alright, now it's time to replace this battery tray, which is so ugly. So loosen these up. Okay. There you guys have it. This is the battery tray. Alright, the battery tray is off. This was a stud, which just got stuck.
There you go.
And then clean everything up here. Yeah, that should be chiseled out now. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the paint to dry up, and then in the meantime we're gonna go get some drinks, you know. Warren's gonna get some hot chocolate, coffee. I'll get some hot chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah, I was working on a car with a guy, and we worked almost all day on the cars.
This is beautiful, oh my gosh.
Are you there? No, I didn't. I worked on the car all day. Say again? Yes, it is.
This is beautiful, oh my gosh.
You just what? Whisper. W-A. Victor. Yeah, he's sitting right here in the car. We're going to get coffee. I'll call you back in about 5 minutes. You got that? Okay. Stay by the phone, and I'll take a picture. How do you spell that?
Victor.
On and on. That's one reason she's memories. Inconvenient.
Got some coffee.
Joe knows coffee.
Yeah. Warren, you want a picture in it? Hang on. Hang on. Hey, you want to see the videos about this car? Go on YouTube. Check out VITO'S Garage.
VITO'S?
VITO'S Garage, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this thing looks pretty good.
It does.
You know.
It'll cure in a few days.
Yeah, it will dry up completely.
It's the humidity.
Yeah, I know. It takes forever to dry up because of
You could fart and
humidity.
come back an hour later and still be hanging in.
Right, right. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's time to put the battery. Okay, so the battery is looking good. We just have to. I'll find the basically the hold down the keepers for this battery. But other than that, I mean, it's looking pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm just gonna